30 साल से बॉब, first of all, thank you for being here and waiting. I know how busy you are. And all of you actually, Gautami, thank you for waiting. 30 साल से जैसे मैंने बताया हम साथ में काम कर रहे हैं. हम इतने फॉर्मल हैं नहीं, बट मैंने कभी ऐसा सोचा भी नहीं था कि हमारे देखते देखते हमारे अपने बच्चे हो जाएंगे और कभी हम अपने बच्चों के साथ काम कर रहे होंगे. But I want to say this from the bottom of my heart. I genuinely want to thank you with all my love and informality, and thank you for the fact that you've made this show happen with my son, Aryan, and you brought so much warmth, so much love, so much gravitas, and so much dignity for the show. So thank you so much, Bobby, for being part of the Bads of Bollywood.
Woo! Nee, Shahrukh, this is also, today is the 20th of August. It's a special day for me also, because जैसे शाहरुख कह रहा था, हमारे बच्चे हैं, इसी इंडस्ट्री में आना चाहते हैं, अब आर्यन आ रहा है, और this day becomes so special for that, because I can feel what's going through you in your heart at this moment. I'm feeling it too, because I've seen Aryan when he was younger, then I met him when he became older one day, and the kind of person he was when I met him, the way we spoke, shared a few things here and there, but I just felt there's something magical about him, as if he was ready to conquer the world, you know. And today's the day, you know. I'm here, Bads of Bollywood, and I still remember I got a phone call from Red Chillies, and they said, Aryan's doing this show, would you like to come and meet? I said I would do it, I don't need to hear it. But Aryan said he wanted to narrate it to me, and I went there, I sat for 7 hours, heard the whole script, but more than the script, I was just looking at Aryan, and the conviction he was narrating to me. You know, it was just like, I was just so happy, because हम लोग चाहते हैं कि हमारे बच्चे में वो talent हो, हम वो कर पाएं, और it's such a fear we live with, you know, because हम लोग एक अपनी कहानी है हमारी, हम कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँचे हैं, लेकिन मैं इतना ही कहना चाहता हूँ कि I'm just so lucky to be a part of this show. You know, it is one of the best shows, not because it's my show, Aryan's show, Shahrukh's show, but I've seen it, and it could have been this, it's just massive. Every actor in the show has performed so well. They are all good actors, but it's the director who handles and gets the best out of them. It's not easy, it's very difficult to get the emotions, what you write on paper about each character. And the way Aryan has done that, it's just amazing. You know, everybody from mature characters to younger characters, he's just brought out the best out of everyone. वो अलग बात है, बहुत निचोड़ा हमें, बहुत मेहनत करवाई हमसे, लेकिन मैं बस देखता रहता था, बोलता था one more, I said हाँ कोई बात नहीं बेटा, one more. ऐसे मुझे लगा, शुरू में तो लगा कि कुछ कम one more करवाएगा, लेकिन उसके one more बंद ही नहीं हुए. But I'm just happy to be here, and I wish the best to all of us.
Thank you, to you also, to all of us, yes.
Thank you so much, Shahrukh, for the love and everything, man. I'm just blessed that I know all of you.
No, thank you so much, Bob. और मैं एक बात बताऊं, एक दिन रात को भी फोन किया मुझे बॉबी ने, आजा यार बहुत टेक्स ले रहा है यार, प्लीज अब मुझको जाना है, thank you very much. But I'm genuinely grateful, and I hope this show turns out as well as what all you've done, and Gautami ji has done, all the cast and crew that we met. So I want to allow you to go off the stage, telling everybody this one is a genuine friend and a genuine superstar. Let's give it up for Bobby Deol and Gautami ji. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.